Hi, I'm Michael Reed Gach, and I'm excited because I want to show you a quick way that you can feel better in just a couple of minutes using acupressure points, self-massage that involves no tools and will have no side effects, except at the end of doing this, you'll feel different. You'll feel better. Now, I want to ask you to follow along. So take your fingertips, these two fingers, and place them on your eyebrows. Go across your eyebrows to your temples, right in here. You'll notice if you rub in this area, do it on yourself, that there's a little hollow. It's soft, and what I want you to do is press slowly into it and rotate. As you take a deep breath, close your eyes as you do it. Yeah. And now open your eyes, and I want you to position your hands like this. And begin to massage your skull. Actually place your thumbs behind your skull like this. And press, press, press underneath the base of your skull. And as you press, inhale and tilt back. Inhale deep. And exhale, lower down. Now find a different spot. Inhale and press. Tilt back. Reach up. And exhale and relax down. Good. Now take your fingers and massage your ears. So your thumbs are on one side, fingers are on the other. And press, press different spots. You're going to find some sore spots, I bet. That's where your energy's blocked. But just massage your ears in super slow motion like this. Good. Now massage your earlobes. Your eyes are closed, taking deep breaths. Excellent. Pull your earlobes down gently. Now stretch your arms up. And exhale, let your hands float back down into your lap, one hand over the other. Shake your shoulders out. You might want to close your eyes and take 5 slow, even, nice, deep breaths to discover the benefits of stimulating acupressure points for healing yourself. Nice, slow, even, deep breaths, just for a minute with your spine straight, eyes closed, so you can feel the benefits of this increased circulation. Go into it. Enjoy it.